here at Shops at Granite Park, which is a nice area here that has lots of restaurants. And it's a nice place to take your family here in Frisco, Texas. Hey everybody, Lone Star Rocker Channel here. I hope you're having a great day. I'm here today, and I haven't posted in a while, but I'm here today to have a chili cheese dog. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. We've got some new videos going to be coming up soon. Going on vacation. There's been a lot of life changes that have taken place. But I'm here to try Chip's chili cheese dog and compare to some of the other chili cheese dogs that I've had recently. But I hear theirs is pretty great, so let's get inside there and see if we can have a taste. Man, I'm here a little early to beat the crowd. This place does fill up pretty fast. Definitely early. I may be the first customer. Coney Island. There you go. Yes, please.
All right. Would you like a drink?
Right, here we go. So I'm not gonna get any soda today. It's just gonna be water for me. So I bought them to sit outside a little bit here. It's a nice day. Anyway, I haven't posted in a while, just mainly because I've kind of lost a little interest in just going out and doing stuff, but I'm gonna try to get back in the game. We've got a vacation coming up for spring break, so we're probably gonna be going to San Antonio and doing some things around there. So I hopefully plan to upload a lot more videos soon. So try to get back in the swing of things and start making more videos. It's gonna be awesome. So I hope you stay tuned. Please hit the like button and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Really appreciate it. Really cut back on soda. You know, water's the best thing you can drink.
Right here.
There it is. Awesome. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, no problem.
There it is. It is a beast. And you know, chili is supposed to not have beans in it, so it's just, and they said homemade chili here, so let's take a bite and see how it is. Kind of see the cut in half chili cheese dog. It's gonna be a messy one. So I'm sure most people don't like to watch people eat, but I'm gonna go ahead and take a couple bites here and give you my analysis. It's definitely messy. Got a very thick hot dog, coney dog. Lots of cheese. They don't skip on the onions. Really delicious. Super tasty. It was only $8.99. Of course, I added the fries. There's no clean way to eat a chili cheese dog. Was real chili. There's no beans, and the hot dog was meaty, a meaty hot dog. That was it. That was so delicious. See, it's all gone. So I can take this opportunity, I guess, to say a few things that's happened recently. I was playing in a band called Neutral Territory, and we were getting gigs around town and stuff like that. But anyway, the guitarist and I were pretty good friends. His name was Tom Diana, and recently went in for surgery, and through complications, he passed away. And he was a great guitarist, you know. He was passionate about playing live. He was a really nice guy. He was really motivated in trying to get gigs and get out there and play through the Dallas music scene. So he will be missed. I have other videos posted on my channel of us playing, so if you want to check that out, that'd be great. But, you know, you lose a friend like that so suddenly. I got to speak to him, I think, the day before the surgery, and you know, just didn't realize that it was going to be the last time I talked to him. So came as kind of a shock. But you know, the band is not going to carry on, I don't think, without him. But I am thankful that I got to be on stage with him. I'm thankful that I got to play music with him when I did, and he will never be forgotten. You belong here. Because everywhere you go, there you are. Alright, so that's my video for today, chowing down a chili cheese dog. I hope you enjoyed it. Anyway, in the future, we're going to be heading to San Antonio, going to check out some theme parks, going to check out the Alamo, go to Riverwalk, stuff like that. Anyway, I hope you really enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, and I want you all to have a rocking day.
Right here.
There it is. Awesome. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, no problem.